Larger family disagreement. My mom says that I'm being selfish and should prioritize helping my sister out during her tough time. My dad thinks it's a good idea but doesn't want to force us to give up our car. So, AITA for not wanting to give my sister's daughter our old car. Edit. To clarify, the car is not in perfect condition, but it has served us well over the years and we still rely on it daily for our family of 3. We don't want to risk leaving ourselves vulnerable by giving up our only means of transportation.